So at Gaur Army, we have this traveling culture of away days where we go to every away stadium to support FC Goa. No matter which team plays, no matter where they play, we are there as their 12th men to support them. We were the first club to reach Jamshedpur, right almost 2000 plus kilometers from Goa, being the first supporters club to reach that place. The Red Miners, the Jamshedpur fans, they actually received us at the stadium. They received us when we reached Jamshedpur. They acknowledged us being the first supporters club to travel that far. Even when the team played in Bhubaneswar, the Super Cup, the Gaur Army was there to support the FC Goa team. And this season, this upcoming season, we have some massive plans planned for the team. We are going to be there at every away game. We're going to be supporting our fans. We have a lot of stadium activities planned. A lot of banners, a lot of tifos, a lot of choreographed stuff is going to be there. We're going to sing as one. We're going to be having a lot of activation sessions for our fans where we're going to teach them chanting. It's like a different culture where the ISL has not seen, apart from at Bengaluru FC and probably Kerala Blasters. So a lot of things are planned by the Gaur Army. It's a great initiative by the fans of Goa. We're working very hard towards this, and hopefully everyone from Goa will join us and sing as one for FC Goa.